Which of the equations below will answer the following question? Make a check by all that apply. Okay, I think of a number, add 7, and then multiply by 4. My answer is 80. What was the number? Okay, so the easy part, my answer is 80. They're all equal to 80. That doesn't narrow it down. It must be over here, the add 7 and then multiply by 4, that gives it away. So we're going to see that the order is very important. It matters that the first thing we did was add 7, and then the second thing we did was multiply by 4. Right? So if we recall from the previous problem, that algebra machine, if you start with an x, and the first thing you do is add 7, we're getting x plus 7. From there, if we want to be able to multiply by 4, you have to have this whole expression multiplied by 4, and the only way to show that is with parentheses. So there's a very big difference between, let's say, an expression like this and one like this. This is the one we're looking for here because the 7 was added first, and then we multiplied by 4. This is not what we're looking for here because in this case, we multiplied by 4 first and then added 7, and that's not what this problem says. Okay, so the only thing we need to go back to is that we have to worry about all that apply. If we think about it, whenever we see a number outside of parentheses, we need to distribute. So 4 times x is 4x, and 4 times 7 is 28. So this expression is also equivalent to this expression. And both of these would represent this problem. Okay, and over here, you're going to explain all of that in your own words. Okay, so to find the value of x, it's up to you. You can solve this one, or we can go back to the original 4 times x plus 7 equals 80. We're going to look at the original only to prove the point about using PEMDAS backward, right? The second thing that we did was to multiply by 4. So the first thing we're going to undo is multiplying by 4. The inverse of multiplying is dividing. We're going to divide by 4 on both sides and get that x plus 7 is 20. Again, remember, when the parentheses are the only thing left on that side, you don't need them anymore. Okay, second step was to add 7. So we're going to do the inverse and subtract 7. And we get that our x was 13.